Dear student of class 10, we continue the pair of linear equation in two variables. Today I explain simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Two linear equations in two unknown variables x and y are said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations if each of them satisfied by the same pairs of values of x and y. Consider the system of linear equations x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Substituting the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4, we find that the two given system of linear equation x plus y and x minus y both are satisfied, or each of them are satisfied. So this pair of linear equation is for simultaneous linear equation in two variables. For example, where x plus y is equal to 10, 6. LHS 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. RHS. And 6 LHS x minus y, for 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Both or each of the equation satisfied hence the given pair of simultaneous equation be formed. Now we see solution of a given system of two simultaneous equations. A pair of values of x and y satisfying each of the equations in a given system of two simultaneous equations in x and y is called a solution of the system. Example, so that x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 is a solution of the system of linear equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 and x minus 2y is equal to 1. The equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 first, and x minus 2y is equal to 1 second. Putting the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2 in equation first. we get LHS 2x plus 3y 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 RHS. Similarly, putting the value again putting the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2 in equation second, we get LHS x minus 2y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Here x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2 satisfy the each of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 and x minus 2y is equal to 1. Thus x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of equation 2 linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 and x minus 2y is equal to 1. Rest, dear students, rest in next class. Thank you.